Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have OPPO Reno12 FS and I want to show you how to add event to your calendar on this device. To do that, open your calendar application. In it, we can change view for a month to be easily to add. And tap on the day when we want to add our event, maybe 1st of August. There is plus icon, event, and first step you can add title of your event, what you need. There in this part you can add event to your group on Gmail. There we can set when event starts and finish, or we can set it will be all day by switch on. Repeat of our event, maybe every month, every week, what you prefer, or don't repeat. There we can add event to people calendar. We can make video conference when event starts, add location of that. Notification maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes before, 1 day before, and we can add more than one. There we can change color of our notification of this event, description to that, and attachment. After you set all you need, you mustn't add everything, press save, and you have it in our calendar right now. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.